talking about the gut, brain, skin connection. And yes, they are more tightly linked than you think. I'm going to tell you how. So we've talked a lot about the microbiome of the skin, but this is also closely tied with our gut microbiome. And truly, when it comes to skin health, you are what you eat. There is a lot of evidence about the importance of diet and how that affects our skin. And I'm going to get into a few key facts that you can take with you and practice so that you can achieve your most gorgeous, glowing skin. We know that processed foods that are high in sugars or simple carbohydrates, as well as red meats, create a lot of inflammation throughout our bodies and also a ton of inflammation within our skin. Very bad. These foods also create what are called advanced glycation end products, also known as AGEs, and these wreak havoc on our skin. They destroy collagen fibers and elastic fibers, so basically they're breaking down and creating all this wear and tear in our skin that leaves it less elastic, less firm, and saggier. Very bad. On the flip side, when we look at a plant-based whole food diet, including the Mediterranean or Nordic diet, which have a lot of plant-based elements, fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, olive oil, fish, we find the benefit of these foods in our skin. These benefits are the result of increased circulation within the skin, less inflammation, and just providing the nutrients that are needed to support and strengthen our collagen and elastic fibers. These diets also result in less sebum production in our skin, and sebum, which is secreted by the oil glands within our skin, is one of the major factors in acne lesion formation. So as that sebum production comes under control, we're going to get less acne, less breakouts, less flares. Fascinatingly, there's also a proposed role for healthy diet and less incidence of melanoma and non-melanoma skin cancer. And I think it comes down to a basic principle that healthier skin is less inflamed, less damaged, and the less damage there is within your skin, the less opportunity there is for those precancerous and cancerous changes to occur. A few other specific facts. Within fruits, there are phenolic compounds which actually help strengthen the skin barrier. I'm a huge fan of fruit. I have a big bowl of fruit every morning. It's how I start my day, and I credit that for a significant impact on my skin health. On the flip side, products like dairy and sugar-containing foods lead to increased insulin and insulin-like growth factor production. And these two components can lead to increased proliferation of the keratinocytes, which are our skin cells, and also increased sebum production. And again, getting back to that idea of sebum production and its role in acne, when we have increased cell turnover as well as increased oil production, that's what leads to breakouts. There was also a study done recently in the Dutch population that clearly linked a healthy, whole food, plant-based diet with less skin wrinkling. And when they eliminated all the other factors, they found that clear correlation between the healthy diet and fewer wrinkles. Who doesn't want that? So bottom line, in the world of dermatology, we used to think that diet didn't have a significant impact on our skin health and the beauty of our skin. And now we're finding to the contrary that our diet does have a tremendous impact on the health of our skin. So I hope these tips will help you achieve your healthiest skin.